Hi everyone, it's James here at YNC Car, bringing you the walk around video here. As always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this incredible 220D M Sport Coupe. Also going to show you around the overall condition, of course, both inside and the exterior. It's presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. You'll see at the front, it's a 2017 plate. We've also got the Angel Iron Xenon headlamps on the car. Alloy wheels for the vehicle are presented in the original BMW Ferric grey optional, and they also come all the way around with the premium run flat tyres. Moving towards the side of the car, you'll see we fitted it with the satin side vinyls, our gloss black sidebars, and alongside that YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on for our first glance at the interior for this 220D, we've got the very nice half Alcantara, half cloth highlight seats. So as you can see there, again, everything is very nice, very clean and tidy and nicely presented. And these are some of my favourite seats within the BMW range. It's a 6-speed manual in this car. We've got the very nice aluminium hexagon with Estrol accents. And I'll show you the rear seats, which again are exceptionally clean and tidy. You'll find the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, very spacious. And once again, overall condition is fantastic. You get a central storage tray. And of course, this signature darkened M Sport headlining. Moving around swiftly towards the rear of the car. Again, all of the alloys on this car are in immaculate condition, and of course I've got very good tyres on all the way around. At the rear we added the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser, and as you can see there, the 220D badges. Now of course, if you've not yet seen in the rear luggage compartment for the 2 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space there is. Alongside that, you do get split folding seats. Closing that down, I'll head round towards the other side of the vehicle, where again you'll be able to see just how clean and tidy this example of a 2 Series really is, and how well the mineral grey does work with all of the additions we've made here at YNC Car. And I'm going to head on inside the vehicle to of course take you around some of the key features inside the car. So once we're sat very comfortably, we'll start it up, and of course we're greeted by the BMW business navigation and media. Currently we're just on the multimedia display, and as you can see there, we get a good choice and a good variety between USB, AUX and Bluetooth inputs, alongside of course DAB, satellite navigation, and of course the regular Bluetooth telephone as well. And if we go back to the very main menu, in a moment I'll be able to check out the vehicle service information and service history for you. On our multifunction M Sport steering wheel, we've just got the speed limiter option alongside our voice and volume controls. This vehicle's covered just over 60,000 miles, and again, hopefully throughout this video I've been able to show and highlight that it's in fantastic condition. And as I mentioned just a moment ago, I'm now going to go ahead and show you all of the service requirements and service history for the 220D I'm demonstrating here for you. The next service is not due for 11,000 miles time, and up at the very top you'll be able to see that this vehicle does have comprehensive full BMW service history right from the first service, excuse me, all the way up to the very most recent, which as you can see there was for a brake fluid and vehicle inspection. However, the time before that was for an engine oil and microfilter change, and of course always very nice peace of mind to know that the car does come with full BMW service history. So hopefully guys, you've enjoyed this walk around video and it's been useful. For further information, remember down in the description there'll be a link to both our website and of course contact details for us here at YNC Car, where as always we'll be happy to answer any questions that we're able to. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourself soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.